Whoa!
Whoa! There's Hudson up close. Oh, and there's Leo in the background. Wow! Look, there's Leo.
Whoa!
You gonna go play on the truck with him?
Yeah.
Gonna help him steer it?
Yeah.
Maybe he doesn't know which way to go. You can go right and left.
Yeah. Grandpa,